I'm here with FlashParking and Jeff Johnson. How would you like to introduce yourself?
Sure, I'm Jeff Johnson, Vice President of Enterprise Solutions for FlashParking. FlashParking is a mobile-first, cloud-based parking technology company out of Austin, Texas, and we're working on perfecting the parking experience.
And what are you looking to achieve at Pi this year?
Well, we're showcasing a lot of our products that we've showcased before. We've been doing this for about 7 years and have fully evolved our products into a great platform. We're always looking to improve, so we have our standard valet offering, we have our parking access and revenue control system here, a lot of our hardware, software technologies, but what I'm really excited about is we're showcasing our real-time business intelligence and data analysis here for our enterprise clients, which allows them to have a 360-degree holistic view of all of their data across all of their parking operations. So it's cloud-based, so you have to think about the environment today that we're trying to get away from. Today it's a very fragmented environment. We have lots of different parking operators. For example, we have a client that has 7 different equipment operators and equipment manufacturers across their platform. They're moving to one, which is with FlashParking. We roll all of that data into the cloud, and then you can see it on a dashboard, for lack of a better term, that allows them to zoom all the way up to all of their data at one location for like a C-suite or CO, and then drill all the way down and zoom into single locations, even down to single transactions, all in real time. You can't do that today in the current legacy parks manufacturers. So our customers benefit from this in that it gives them a real-time look at all of their parking data across all of their parking operations and make real-time decisions on pricing, on occupancy, on how they want to sell. That's a huge benefit to what our platform does for them.
FlashParking integrates both software and hardware together, but why the focus on the software side?
So the software allows us, through our cloud-based environment, to roll all of our information and the customer's data up into a single location, right? Which, in an increasingly complex mobility ecosystem, allows them to be far more competitive and compete better and win, because of it all rolls up into the cloud.
And then you brought up mobility here, and it's been quite a buzzword recently. And where do you see the trends going in the next 2 years, especially with FlashParking?
Sure. So we think we have a real leadership position there to play around the mobility ecosystem, because we have so much data and we have so much information available. So we really want to solve the challenges of congestion, of quality of life. You know, I moved to Austin recently from San Francisco. You think of the urban core in San Francisco as probably the furthest evolved when you think of the changes in mobility. There's a real congestion issue there and quality of life. So we think we have a leadership position to play there, to pull all of those players together through our data, our information, our hardware and software, which then allows our clients to be far more competitive in an increasingly difficult, complex and competitive landscape.
So could you maybe tell me what your clients expect from you to prepare themselves for the future?
Sure, so I think our clients expect from us a couple things. One is, they expect for us to have solutions across their entire portfolio. So whether that's the valet product, the parking access and revenue control or parks product, across surface lots, across event management, and roll all of that data across all of those products into one single place so they can make intelligent decisions across their platform. They also expect us to look for future-ready software, technology that allows them to continue to be competitive in that changing mobility ecosystem, and allows them to win in that environment.
You say then the flexibility plays a key part in having services to individual needs of the customer? Oh,
absolutely. And again, our cloud, we were born in the cloud, so we're as flexible as you can be in this environment. And so any type of new software, any changes in that mobility ecosystem, we're going to be the most flexible to allow them to make the changes and be competitive.
Thank you, Jeff, for the time. It was a pleasure, and wish you good luck at Pi.
Appreciate you stopping by FlashParking.